Hello everyone, welcome to online revision lectures of KR Doshi Group of Colleges. So let us continue with the third video of corporate level strategy. As we have seen earlier, right, these are the types of corporate level strategy. Let us look at the main types, which were concentration, integration, diversification, stability, growth, retrenchment, and restructuring. Out of these 7 types, we have seen 3 types, right? And this were, we can say, concentration, integration, and diversification. So let us continue with the fourth type, and that is stability. The name itself suggests, right? Stability. See, to be stable is a kind of strategy. You are not changing anything. You just want to stable the current situation, right? Okay, so this is the strategy in which company strives to maintain its current level of output, that is production and sales, under different situation, right? Students, when an enterprise is satisfied by its present position, it will not like to we can say change from here, and it will be a stability strategy. Stability strategy will be successful when the environment is stable, right? Both the environment, in a way. This strategy is exercised most often, and it is less risky, right? It is less risky. Why? Because here company is not acquiring anything, or company is not trying more efforts for, we can say, any goods, any services, or we can say any market, new market, right? Here company is just focusing on the stability strategy, right? It is the situation where the company is trying to focus, or we can say trying to stable the business, the output. So it is less risky as a course of action, right? uh, Examples of stability strategy: Steel Authority of India has adopted stability strategy because of overcapacity in steel sector. Instead, it has concentrated on increasing operational efficiency of its various plants rather than going for expansion, right? So it can be the example of stability strategy. Students, a stability strategy of a concern, for example, will be followed when the organization is satisfied with the same product, serving the same consumer groups and maintaining the same market share. It is very obvious that only when a company is we can say concern, right, for the output and for the current situation, and the company is satisfying with the current situation, then company will be focused on, we can say, this kind of strategy, right? Then there are 3 subtypes of, we can say, stability strategy, in which the very first is no change strategy, then profit strategy, and then proceed with caution strategy, right? In very first, the first one, that is no change strategy. So we can say, what is no change strategy? Stability strategy is a conscious decision to do nothing new, right? That is to continue with the present work. Company is doing nothing new, right? It is just continuing with the present work, present output, and present sales. It does not mean an absence of strategy. Yeah, it does not mean that there is no any kind of strategy is presenting, we can say. No, rather than, right, rather taking no decision in itself is a strategy, right? When external environment is predictable and organizational environment is stable, then a businessman may like to continue with the present situation. There may be major opportunities or threats operating in the environment. In short, in this type, you are not going to change anything, right? You are not going to change anything. You are keeping the things as it is, right? Then second, that is profit strategy. Profit strategy. Now, what is profit strategy? Sometimes, students, things change in such a way that the firm has to adopt changes in its working style, working pattern. There may be unfavorable external factors, such as we can say increase in competition, right? Then recession in the industry, governmental, we can say government attitude, industry downturn, and many more. Under this situation, it becomes difficult to sustain profitability, right? Because these are the external factors which are uncontrollable factors. The firm will try to sustain profitability by controlling expenses, reducing investments. We can say company can maximize its prices. It may cut the costs, increase productivity, etc. These measures will help the firm in sustaining current profitability in the short run, right? Here in this kind of type, that is profit strategy, company is focusing on, we can say, how to maximize the company's profit, right? Profit strategy will be successful for a we can say short period of time only. In case things do not improve to the advantage of the firms, then this strategy will only we can say deteriorate their position. This strategy can work only if problems are for, we can say, short period, or we can say temporary time, right? So this was about the profit strategy. Then the third type, moving to the third type, that is proceed with caution strategy. This is the strategy when the employed by it is employed by firms that wish to test the ground before moving ahead with full-fledged grand strategy, or by those firms which had a rapid pace of expansion and now wish to rest for a while before moving ahead. The pause is sometimes essential, right, students? The pause is sometimes essential because intervening period will allow consolidation before embracing on further expansion strategies. The main object is to let the strategy changes sip down the organizational levels, allow structural changes to take place, and let the system adopt to new strategy, right? In short, we can say here company is not going haphazardly. Here company will pause, will think, right? And then the company will proceed accordingly, right? So this was about the stability strategy. Let us revise it. Stability strategy, in this strategy we can say the company strives to maintain its current level, right? It company is focusing on, we can say, stable its business, right? So it is about stability strategy. Types, so there are mainly three types. That is no change, profit strategy, and proceed with caution. A no change strategy, company is doing nothing, right? And it is a kind of strategy, right? It is not that the strategy is not there, but it is a, we can say, strategy, right? No change strategy. In short, company is doing nothing. In short, company is maintaining the current level of output or sales or anything, right? Profit strategy, company is maximizing the profit anyhow, right? And the third, that is proceed with caution, that is company is taking pause, company is thinking, and then company will proceed further for the, we can say, a profit maximization, or say output maximization, etc., right? So these were the types of stability strategy, and the, we can say, the yes, this is the types of these are the types of stability strategy, right? So this is the uh, as I have told you earlier, right, that this is the fourth type, and we will discuss the further types in the next video. Thank you.